Here are the steps to open an account in minutes and invest with National Bank Direct Brokerage. On our website, nbdb.ca, you will find at the top of the page the tab Open an Account. To get started, click on the Online Form link. Once you're in the online form, please choose your province of residence in the drop-down menu. The chosen account can be personal or joint. It is possible to select more than one account at a time, for example, a TFSA account and a RSP account. Depending on the type of account that you select, you have the option of opening in Canadian and/or US currency. Note that you can trade stocks, ETFs, options, mutual funds, and bonds in all of your direct brokerage accounts. The InvestCube program section below includes the same type of accounts as those mentioned above. However, this section is dedicated to investors who want to invest in our automated rebalancing ETF solution, which is called InvestCube. For more information on our InvestCube service, I invite you to visit our NBDB website. Be sure to check the box under the Options Trading section if you want to trade options in your accounts. Please indicate the type of strategies you want to use, the level of options knowledge, and the number of years of trading experience. To learn more about options, I invite you to watch our series of free educational videos available on our NBDB website or the NBDB YouTube channel. When all of your accounts have been selected, you are ready to begin by clicking on the Start button at the bottom of the page. Please write down your account application number and enter a password of at least 4 characters. Note that the application number is not your account number. You will be able to use the application number only to return to your file if you did not complete it the first time. In the first page, you will have to indicate your personal information, for example, your last name, first name, social insurance number, etc. The information you enter must match the information on your valid government-issued ID. At any point in the process, you can move your cursor over the question mark to get more information about the requested section. Take this opportunity to subscribe to our newsletter. The newsletter are divided into 3 main topics: personal finances and banking services, investments and financial markets, and enterprise and business world. Once all the required information is completed, click on subscribe. You can change your preference at any time in the future. On the second page, you must provide us with your employment status and the address of your employer if you're still working. Please indicate if you have a professional financial package at National Bank. The following section pertains to answering questions on financial and banking information. Your net liquid assets combine the value of all your investment accounts and bank accounts minus your debts. The net fixed assets correspond to your real estate portion minus the mortgages. You must then provide the information of your main bank account. The bank account you enter here will be the account that can be used to transfer money from and to your brokerage account. Note that incoming or outgoing fund transfers are free of charge. For the regulatory information section, you must answer yes or no to all 3 questions. You are then asked to indicate the intended use of your accounts. Please note that NBDB does not validate if your transactions are related to your investor profile. If you want to authorize someone else other than yourself to trade in your account or call NBDB on your behalf, you must complete the Power of Attorney section. If you have a National Bank account and you would like to deposit money into your brokerage account as soon as it is opened, please select Yes under the One-Time Monetary Transfer section. To consolidate your external investments with NBDB, please select Yes under the Account Transfer section. It is important to understand that transfers from other institutions can be made in cash or in kind. In the case of cash transfer, the assets will be liquidated and will be transferred as cash. Please keep in mind that you do not have to liquidate your assets in order to transfer. You can transfer your assets in kind, which means your assets will be transferred as they are. Please choose the institution from which you're transferring and enter the account number and the type of transfer, whether total or partial. The Communication with Beneficial Shareholders section allows us to obtain your permission to share your personal information with the companies in which you invest. These companies will be able to send you, if you wish, the material intended for security holders. When you invest in publicly traded companies, you have the option of receiving all security holder documentation, such as financial statements. Please note that most documents are available on the company's website. There are 3 different ways for us to validate your identity. 1. The confirmation of bank reference allows us to validate with your principal financial institution if you are the owner of the bank account. If your bank account is not at the National Bank of Canada, it is recommended that you choose the second option and send us a check of $25 or more to be cleared. Do not forget to write "link the account" on the check. The third option is to present yourself at a National Bank branch to complete the verification of identity. Please read and check off all agreements to accept them. Enter any promotional code if applicable. That's it, you're almost done. All that's left to do is to review all the information by opening the PDF. You must print and mail the completed signed application within the next 25 days to MBDB. Do not forget to click on Submit to complete your request. You will receive an email when your account is opened within 24 to 48 hours to explain the next steps. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact one of our investment agents. Good luck on your investments.